Hello, my name is Mohamed Hassan. This is a finance tracker budget builder that I created. My GitHub username is basically at work. My EDX is Mohamed Hassan 04. I'm recording this on July 16, 2025 from Seattle, Washington in the United States. This is the code that I made. So what it basically does is first welcomes the user to the budget builder, and it calls certain functions. So this is a function I wanted to start with, basically asking the balance that they're starting with. And this function right here is basically an exception, just checking errors, making sure the user is getting floats in return. If not, letting them know please enter a number. I have that on the balance, and I have it on the hour, and hourly, and the hours. So this function right here is a function I implemented because at first I was just asking the user, hey, can you let me know how much you make an hour? Not an hour, but how much you make a month. And then I thought maybe I wanted to be more user friendly, so I got it to where you can let the computer know how much you make an hour and how many hours you work a week. I also implemented overtime, where if you work more than 40 hours, it will take that into account as well. I also created a display progress. I got the idea from the CS50 Python, where it shows the progress each week, so I really liked it a lot. This I implemented is basically the goal part, where at each month, not each month, but once you reach your goal, basically you'll basically be asked, hey, do you want to keep continuing? So like maybe you want a new goal every time you reach your goal. So say like your goal was 10,000 and you reach that goal, it'll prompt the user, hey, do you want to keep going? If you let it know like a new goal, it'll just keep growing. If not, it will just break the user and it'll tell them good luck on adulting. I will show an example of how it works. Let me call the starting balance. Will start with $0. Hourly wage, let's say we make $25 an hour. Hours that we worked a week, let's say we worked 50 hours per week. Monthly expense, let's say 2,000, and our savings goal is 10,000. Okay, as you can see on month one, your balance is 3.5k. This is the progress. Let's just say we want to implement extra expense. Let's say we lost $300 that month, and then it keeps going. Extra income, let's say we made an extra $2,000. Congratulations, we reached it. Do you want to keep going? We'll just say no. Perfect. Now let's go to the tests. These are the tests that I made, just to make sure that this is checking there's no overtime, making sure that it's the correct input. This is checking for the overtime. These are the loops when you this is basically checking the printout is correct, and also this as well. And this is to estimate our month goals, just to make sure it's correct. And this is also my readme. This might be over 3 minutes, but